Even when you're wearing a hair unit, it's important to remove all adhesive from your scalp. So step 5 is where you pamper your scalp with our exfoliating gel. What makes this gel stand out? It's packed with hypoallergenic scrubbing beads, so it's gentle but also effective at removing dead skin and buildup. Unlike harsher exfoliators, this one won't irritate sensitive scalps. Where many exfoliating gels fall short is that they create a lot of microabrasions on the skin. When these abrasions heal, they can get quite itchy. Our exfoliating gel uses a very specific size of bead, which avoids these microabrasions and ensures a comfortable wear of the wig or the hair system. Here's how to use the exfoliating gel. Squeeze a pea-sized amount onto your fingers and apply it directly to your scalp. Massage gently in circular motions for about 40 to 60 seconds. Focus on areas prone to buildup for the best results. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to wash away the exfoliating beads. Finally, pat your scalp dry with a clean towel. Your skin will feel smooth, clean, and ready for the perfect bond.